Hello and welcome to Fix Make Create, and this is a quick how-to video on how to change the fuse in a plug. It seems like a very straightforward one, but if you don't know how to do it, then standard English plug, a lot of them now don't have a screw on them, they're just sealed. Can you see that? You can see it, it's just sealed in there. So in order to get the fuse out, you want to do one thing. Get a screwdriver and put the screwdriver into the edge of the fuse holder so that it lifts up, and then you pull the fuse holder out like that. Get a new one, put it back into piece and get your plug and push it back in the plug socket, back in like that. See that? And there you go, one fuse changed. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.